myself and I. Let's keep it 1,000, man, you niggas living a lie. Middleman trying to play the plug and making no profit. I'm calling your bluff, niggas, stop it. What it do, YouTube? I am back with another banger. On today's episode, as you can see behind me, I got that gray Honda Accord. Customer brought this vehicle into me because his friend got his car done. He wanted to get his car done as well. I'm not gonna tell you what color. I want you to stay until the end. On that note, I need y'all to make sure y'all smash that subscribe button. Make sure you smash that like button. Of course, make sure you drop a comment at the end of this video letting me know how you guys feel this car turned out. I'm gonna do a quick walk around to show you the before and then go ahead and get started. Let's go. Alright guys, so with everything being said and done, the car is fully masked. I completed the rims. He did decide to go with the gloss black rims. Yeah, pretty dope. And I did debadge the car. But the whole car is pretty much masked off. Now it's time to get to spraying. I got my gallons ready. My spray is over there as well. But I don't want to waste no more time. I'm gonna get right into it. But before I do, make sure you smash the subscribe button, make sure you smash the like button, and make sure you drop a comment at the end of this video letting me know how you guys feel this Honda turned out. It's my first time using my new gun. Pretty excited. Let's go. finally done with the car. It looks perfect. It just looks like butter. This is probably the best one that I've done yet. I did get a new gun, and that Fuji sprayer, man. Shout out to the guy that actually told me about the gun, because that gun is phenomenal. The Fuji M model, I think is what he pronounced, or I think is what I got. Yeah, the M model. So yeah, if you any dippers out there that are watching my channel, watching my videos, get the M model Fuji sprayer gun. If you have the 3-stage turbine, bro, it looks completely different. Like I understand when Fonzie's, all these other people are saying like get this stuff is gonna look completely different. Now I understand, like it really does. So I'm gonna go ahead and get home. I got some stuff to do to the car tomorrow. Put some more black accents on there. It's late. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Day 2.
What up, YouTube? It is day 2. As you can see behind me, that thing is on. It looks perfect. Like this is probably the best that I've sprayed a car, and that lets me know I'm getting better. I'm getting better with time, like wine. You know what I'm saying? Boy, if you don't. Today, I'm just gonna go ahead and go over small things on the car, make some parts of the vehicle black now that the paint is dried overnight. I want to say they may take about another 3 hours, and I'll begin to peel everything off the car and get ready to deliver it to the client. Of course, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you drop a comment at the end of this video letting me know how you guys feel the car turned out. I can't wait for this to be done and delivered. And I know y'all ready to see the end result. Let's go. So the customer just came and picked up their vehicle. He was super excited. I forgot to get it on camera. Lesson learned. Of course, if you want that done to your car, make sure you jump in my DMs on Instagram at DipGodBo. And we can go ahead and get something booked. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Make sure you drop a comment at the end of this video letting me know how you guys feel the car turned out. Of course, make sure you smash that like button. On that note, it is Sunday fun day. I'm about to go to the liquor store, grab me something to drink, head to the crib, take a shower, and get ready to turn up. Man, y'all stay tuned.
In my eyes as a youngin', I was fooled into living the American dream, and I took my ass to school. I never finished cause they drug tested for every job, and I refused to be some bait to them crackers holding that fishing rod.